Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make some green beans in a tomato and chili sauce. Very, very easy, absolutely beautiful. Vegetarian and vegan. Let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got then. So, obviously we've got our green beans. I've just topped and tailed them. I'll give them a little wash. I've got onion, tomatoes, chili and garlic. I'm going to leave all the amounts and the ingredients below in the text. We're going to use some oil to fry these off first. A little bit of salt and pepper. That is basically it. Okay, so I've got some oil in a pan here. I've got 2 or 3 centimeters or so. We're heating that up, as you can see. I'm going to drop all of our beans in and we're going to fry them for about 4 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. As you can see there, let's put them onto some paper towel. Then we're going to reduce that oil down by 90% or so. Then I'll be back. Okay, reduce that oil right down now. Simply we're going to drop in our onion. And our garlic. And we're going to fry these around for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, next up we're going to add some salt. Some black pepper. Our tomatoes, try and use a nice juicy tomato. Ripe tomatoes work better. That chili powder or cayenne, up to you. And staying on this lively heat, we're going to go for about 5 minutes. We want those tomatoes to break down as much as they can. Okay, so the tomatoes are cooking down really nicely. It's now time to introduce our beans. We're going to lower the heat to medium now, and we're going to cook these for about 4 minutes, and we are pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. Just check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me. I like just to add a little touch of mint or cilantro, and that's beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.